sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh dear. Nope.
There's definitely something in that sagebrush. I just can't tell where it's coming from or really what it is. I just hear a lot of crunching and I just...
Huh?
Go ahead.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy.
This is bullshit.
What is it?
This is bullshit.
They call me Pepsi. Your body set Pally Jason. Once again they got
Found a stick on the ground and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick and I'm using it today. I gotta
That's suspicious. That's weird.
Bang palang palang bang palang palang bala palang bang 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 palang palang bang palang palang bala palang bang bang，被我的可爱咬一口，灵魂都失踪。
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No, 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 no.
It's beginning to look a lot like fuck this. I don't like the cold. I hate the fucking snow. It just has to go because I'm going to go fucking insane.
Will you please just come inside? Please. Oh my. Thank you. Thank you. Been trying to get you inside for 2 hours.
김서진, 민유기, 정홍석, 박지민
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのモード噂の Dreaming が忘れない
Glass bottom boat.